Watch these windows. Hey, watch these windows right here.
Hey, Taylor, watch that corner back there. Is that our guy?
I don't know.
Look and see. Head.
Here, watch that corner, watch this corner, watch this corner.
Surrender.
Where you hit me at? Oh, is that a grenade? Is that a grenade?
Hey!
Cover it, cover it, cover it, cover it.
Everybody on me. Blue car.
Let's go, let's go. I got you. One down in the doorway.
We need more. Hey, we need some people. Alright. Let's go, Alright, reach this down.
Get up, step on them, get behind them.
I don't know about this. Ready?
Watch window, watch window.
Watch my six.
Yeah, Matt. Oh, yeah, okay, hang on, it's a 10-second thing, Majigger.
Shot me.
Hey, did he move?
Yeah, it's a 10-second respawn.
Whatever, that's I didn't see him. He was back there.
I didn't.
No, but I got it.
Hey, we need more guys covering that alley down there. Matt, we need more guys covering the right side so we don't get shot from the other team.
Hey, you too. Just get in here.
Yeah, hey, you two over here.
At least I got one. Watch out for that. Come over here. No, don't go in there.
Hold on,
Right there. Get it, Sonny?
No, I'm not. Let's put my pistol away.
Wait, how close is this? How many?
That guy's on the right side.
We have to find it. All I heard is say what's the road. Hey guys! Put your heads up back there!
Watch this corner.
Yeah, I got it.
Let's go.
Nah, I'm not going in. They're stacked up on this wall right here. Oh, it's 10-second respawn for them.
10?
It's 10-second or it's like 20 or 30 or something.
Go around the building.
Yeah, I'm gonna freaking.
Where do you want me to go? On me. Wait, let's do it. Sonny, let's do this fast and simple.
Oh crap, they got my shadow. Oh god, they saw my freaking shadow. Damn it. Holy fuck. Hey, it's Mike.
You know it's semi-auto, right?
Yeah.
That shit would hurt.
Oh, I'm missing the freaking guy of the ricochets.
That's the window.
God, is my camera okay?
Just shoot through the doorway. Nobody can walk through.
Fuck. Okay, it's a...
Somebody to watch this window. Luckily, this dude had his back to me.
Camera on?
Watch outside.
Okay.
Dude, I completely ate it.
Watch.
Watch out. Oh, I ate it.
Hit!
I got the window covered. Hey, Jacob, go around the side of the building.
Yeah.
Okay, there's guys coming down here. Go quick. So we can trick them. Yeah, one guy just came around and shoot him now. Hey, flank around the back side, you okay?
Knocked down.
What the fuck is this?
Kid isn't calling us hit.
Yeah, wait, we got someone going around the back? Oh, they're moving up now from the wall.
Watch that door.
Oh, right there. Yeah, he's got a clear shot of me. Watch out, the window. Hey, flank on the black. He's in.
Where is he?
He's sitting free. There's ricocheting on me. Oh, he's gonna breach the doorway.
Yes.
He might. Cover me. Cover my nuts. Turn around? No, wait. Closer?
Close.
No, we're facing him.
Together.
Like, together.
No, we're facing him now.
For the camera.